Hey guys, welcome back to Hairology with Kellie Carroll, and today we're going to be doing a color wheel project by using our primary colors to create the secondary and the tertiary colors, all with food coloring, frosting, and vanilla wafers. Keep watching. And for your edible color wheel, you're going to be needing a few things. You're going to need plastic tablecloths, forks or spoons, frosting, paper plates, vanilla wafers, and of course your food coloring. I like to get the plastic tablecloths from the Dollar Tree. I get my wafers and frosting from Target or Walmart, and these I order from Amazon. I like to get the white frosting because I've used the vanilla before, but it puts off a little bit too much yellow tone. It's difficult to match. And then the vanilla wafers, you can also use the generic if you need to. Each student will get a plate of 12 cookies and one in the center, 13 for their neutral. And they have to begin to use equal parts out of the frosting to make their primary colors to start. They have their plate of blue, and it does take a lot of blue to get it very intense. They have their plate of red, and they have their plate of yellow. If they need more, they go back, they remix, they restir. So now they are beginning their edible color wheel, and they start by making sure they have everything stirred up, everything mixed correctly, and they are judging that by this paper cardboard color wheel. I let them use this as a guide so they know how to place their cookies on their plate, and they start by doing their primaries, and they place them equally on the plate before they start to make their secondary colors. So they start to make their green, they start in with orange and violet, and they place them according to that cardboard chart. And this was a nice violet. So they can dip the cookies or they can smear the frosting on the top. It doesn't matter. They have fun doing it as long as it looks okay. So here's a completed edible color wheel. Isn't this great? And they get to eat it. So everybody's happy. Hey, I'm glad that you enjoyed our project today. I hope that you continue to stay on this channel to watch other things that we will have. I have other videos linked above that you might enjoy also. We had a great time doing it. Leave in the comments below how you can teach your class about the color wheel, or maybe how you learned about the color wheel in cosmetology school, because maybe I can get some other ideas and do some more videos just for you. Bye guys.